This is the question number D from Codeforces 849 Dippo. And in this question, we have given a function f of x. The what is f of x? The x is our string, and f of x will return me the number of unique character present in our string x. And we have given a string s, and we have to print the maximum possible value of f of a plus f of b. What is a and b? The a and b are the two partitions of the string s. Means like, for example, we have star. So if we'll do partition like this, so the sta will be our a, and this will be our b. So hope you have get the question. We have to print only the maximum possible value of f of a plus f of b. And okay, let's see the test case first. Like we have given a b c, and d. So what we can do, we can check for every partition, and we will for every partition we will store, and we will store one maxi variable in which I will store the maximum possible value of answer of every partition. Like if I do partition like this, then what is the answer? If I do the partition of this, then what is the we will check for every answer, and we will have one maxi variable which will store the maximum possible value of every answer. Okay, and we will, after that, we will return our maxi. Okay, this is the simple approach. So how we can implement this? We can implement this by using maps comma set. So if you want hint, this is your hint. You can try by your own by thinking by. Okay, if you have tried yourself, now coming to my approach, what I have done, like I have created one map m1 comma m2. This will this will give me the part of a, and this will give me the part of b. So how these two maps will help me to find the value of f of a and f of b. So let's come to algorithm directly. We have ABC, and D. So what I have done, in one M1 map, I have stored the frequency of ABC, ABC, ABD. So the M1 map will look like A equal to 2, B equal to 2, C2, and D 1. So this is my frequency chart of character comma integer for M1. And then I will come to A. I will decrement the value of A from M1, and I will increase the count of A in another map M2. So M2 will look like this. And how we can get the value answer of f of a plus f of b? So I will directly say that m1 dot size plus m2 dot size will give me the value of f of a plus f of b. Why? Because map will store the only the unique characters, and the size will give me the number of unique characters. And for every character, I will do like this only. Like I am coming to b, then I will decrement count of b and increase the count on my m2. So you have to take care one case that if your count is coming to 0, then you have to clear this b, because the map will store the value of b to the 0, and it will not it will not affect the size. So for that, you have to erase the b from m1 if the frequency is 0. So these things you have to care. And you can create one maxi variable equal to 0, and then you can update your maxi by this. Okay, so hope you have get my approach. Now let's see the code what I have done. Okay, so this is my code. So I will explain you code and my code. So what is my code? Okay, I have taken integer input, and then I have taken string, and then I have taken map of character comma int. This is my m1. Okay, and I have and I have taken the frequency of every character, and I have declared one maxi variable equal to 0. And this is my second map f. So this is my f is like m2 only, which I have explained you previously. And what I am doing, that I am for every character, I am incrementing my f of si, and I am decrementing my m of si. And if m of si equal to 0, means like b becoming 0, so I will erase from my m1. And then I will then this is dd will be the my f of a plus f of b, because what is our f of a? F of a is this, and f of b is this. And I have declared my, and this maxi variable will store the maximum value of dd. and then I have written a maxi. So hope you have get the answer. And if you want to practice more such type of question, you can Google prefix sum. Means this question is like prefix sum, prefix suffix question. So you can do Google on Google and type prefix suffix question, and then you will get many question like this only. So thank you.